This is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can bypass parental controls on this device. So to begin with, as you can see, my parental controls are perfectly active. So in order to disable them, or well, rather bypass parental controls, you will need to open the Settings tab first, then go for the Google category, then tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Once the Google Account Management Center gets loaded, you will need to open the Data and Privacy section, then scroll the page all the way down and go for Delete Your Google Account function, or option rather. Next, in order to go forward, we'll need to enter the password to Google account. After this step is out of the way, you will be forwarded to the following Delete Your Google Account page, in which you will need to check those two boxes and tap at the Delete Account button to your bottom right. From here, the parental controls are successfully deactivated. So let me quickly prove that to you. So if I'll open up settings and go for Google category once again, you will see that there is no Google account linked, and if I will open up parental controls overview, there will be none. So from here, the last thing that I need to do is to recover the Google account that I have just restored in the sake that I have just deleted in the sake of switching off parental controls, which you can very easily and effortlessly do through using it to log into any Google app. Let's say I'll go with Play Store, for example. After entering the email address and proceeding, you should get the following message that identifies that you did everything right. After this message appears, simply follow it by typing in the Google account password, then hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong message. That's completely fine and normal. Just redo the sign in, thus enter your email address one more time, then follow it by entering the Google account password, and second, usually after that it lets you through the second time, or well, after the second try rather. So as you can see, that is actually true in my case, so I can just proceed with the sign-in procedure and log into my Google account as I would normally do. And well, apparently the Google account was successfully restored or recovered, and parental controls were actually switched off as well. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.